Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Go ahead and join the family by hitting the subscribe button. So today we're making fish stew. I've already poured some oil in the pan, so now we're going to saute some garlic. This is about 4 cloves. We're going to add some onions. Next, we're going to add some liquid smoke. Liquid smoke tastes just like its name. It adds a smoky flavor and accent. We're going to let that saute for a few minutes. So now we're going to add some mixed bell peppers. Tomatoes. So now we're going to season our fish. You can use any fish you like. Today I'm cooking tilapia. Sprinkle a little salt on it. Pepper. Chili powder. And some lemon juice. Now let's turn it over and do the other side. We're going to add a little bit of oil. Next, add the tilapia. I cut up about 4 potatoes. on a low salt diet, so I'm going to add some vegetable seasoning to it. You can add salt, pepper, whatever you season your potatoes with. One red chili pepper. And some coconut milk. We're going to add a little bit more oil to the mixture. Okay, so these cast iron skillets don't come with lids. So I'm going to use a really big plate and cover it up. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and we're just gonna shift it. We're not gonna fold it, we're just gonna shift it. Just to make sure that everything is getting cooked properly. And cover it back up. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of parsley. Cover it back up. It smells so delicious. It smells so good.